Hey everyone, I'm Mia and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is titled, Ignorance Costs Big Time in Financial Education? And trust me, you don't want to miss this. We're diving into how a lack of financial knowledge is quietly draining millions from everyday people. Yes, even the ones who think they're doing okay. So stay with me until the end. You'll walk away smarter, sharper, and ready to make better money moves. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Let your friends, your family, even your coworkers know. These videos can change lives, and the algorithm only works if you help us spread the word. Let's start with a simple truth. You were probably never taught real financial education in school. Sure, you learned algebra, maybe dissected a frog, but no one told you how credit works, how to budget for inflation, or how to build passive income. And now, that gap in knowledge is costing Americans big. According to recent studies, over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't know how to manage what they earn. Ignorance shows up in sneaky ways. You buy a new car without knowing the impact of high-interest financing. You get a credit card thinking it's free money. Or worse, you sign a student loan contract that locks you in for decades. And let's not even get started on poor investing decisions. People chase hype, crypto, meme stocks, shady schemes, without a plan, without research, and without guidance. Then they wonder why they lost their shirt. Here's the deal. You don't need to learn through pain. We created a course that breaks down real-world financial education in a way that's simple, relatable, and powerful. If you're serious about leveling up, I encourage you to enroll in our course at ExodusCapital.com. We designed it to help you avoid the exact traps we're talking about today. Let me tell you about John. He's 30, smart guy, ambitious, but financially uninformed. He bought a timeshare. Why? Because someone told him it was an investment. No research, no second opinion. A year later, he's locked into an annual payment he didn't plan for, plus maintenance fees, and now, guess what? He can't sell it. Thousands lost, time wasted, confidence shaken. And it's not just him. It's millions of people making decisions with half the information, or none at all. The truth is, most people are reactive with money instead of proactive. They wait for a crisis, a job loss, a medical emergency, a recession, before they realize they should have planned better. Financial literacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. This isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about becoming resilient. If you want to build freedom, protect your family, and eventually retire with dignity, financial education is non-negotiable. You don't have to be a genius or a Wall Street pro, but you do have to get informed. You have to be intentional. Financial ignorance doesn't just affect your bank account, it affects your bloodline. Think about it. How many financial habits did you inherit, not learn? If you don't break the cycle, your kids repeat your mistakes. They normalize stress around bills. They grow up believing money is just about survival, not freedom. Generational wealth starts with generational knowledge. That's the part too many people skip. Let's talk about Brianna, 25 years old, working her first job with benefits. Her employer offered a 401k with a 100% match, but she never enrolled. Why? She didn't understand it and didn't want to mess it up. Fast forward 10 years, she's missed out on nearly $50,000 in matched contributions. That's free money she'll never get back. And she's not alone. Millions of people skip these opportunities every single year. This is why we created our course at ExodusCapital.com. It's not just information, it's transformation. The kind that helps you avoid mistakes like Brianna's. The kind that sets you up for freedom, not just survival. So if you're tired of guessing your way through money decisions, enroll today. The link is in the description. Let's be real, 2025 is not the same game our parents played. Interest rates are sky high. Rent and groceries are eating up paychecks. AI is taking jobs and creating new ones. And the middle class? It's getting squeezed harder than ever. Financial survival now requires new skills. Old school advice won't cut it anymore. But most people are stuck using outdated tools in a modern economy and wondering why they're falling behind. How do you know if you're financially uninformed? Here are a few red flags. You avoid checking your bank account. You have no emergency fund. You can't explain how your credit score works. You feel anxious every time a bill comes. These aren't just symptoms, they're warnings. But the good news? They're also fixable. Don't stay in the dark. You're not supposed to know everything, but you are responsible for learning. Financial knowledge gives you options, and options create freedom. But freedom isn't handed out. It's earned through education, discipline, and action. So if you feel behind, that's okay. What matters is what you do next. So here's what I want you to do. Like this video if it opened your eyes, subscribe and follow us on all platforms so you don't miss what's next. Most importantly, go to exoduscapital.com and enroll in our financial education course today. We're building a financially educated community, and you belong in it. I'm Mia, and this is Exodus Capital. Your money decisions matter because your future depends on them. See you in the next one.